I was just saying, like, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, I should call you Cricket Breath. Hey, Cricket Breath.
Let's move on to your second course.
Oh, what is that?
I'll tell you exactly what it is. 3 crocodile eyes. Now you have to eat 2 of those.
Right. Nah, come on now.
You're going to take that?
Yeah. You're a
Okay,
warlock.
hold on a second.
I like your
John.
poker face, though, Janice.
I can't do this. I can't.
Let's see what you're left with, Janice.
This is the sickest game in history.
Fish eyes.
Oh, no.
I'll swap.
No, I cannot.
You can't swap, I'm afraid.
They're looking at me. I can't do it. They're looking at me. I'm going to have the worst dreams. No.
Now, they're not alive,
I don't care.
and they're edible.
Yeah.
Well, Janice, hold on a second, because it is John to go first. Crunchy?
Oh, they're so tough. You have to really grind your teeth in.
Cricket breath and crocodile tongue. Mm.
So, John, you've done 1. Janice, do you want to have a go at doing 1 eye?
Man. No. Do you have a fork?
No.
A spoon?
No.
I can't. I'm such a pussy. I don't know what happened to me.
And it's edible, remember?
I can't. I'm trying.
You can't even pick it up.
Can't do it.
Yeah, good. My turn.
Yeah, 1 more, and you've won this round as well, John.
Congratulations.
Was there a taste?
Yeah. All of a sudden, when you crush down on them, there's this massive explosion in your mouth. It's quite salty.
2-0 to Croc Creek. Well done, John. You win the next round, then you've won a feast for camp.